Well, they were talking about rain. Looks like it's going to hold off. Got high wind warning starting at 2 o'clock. So last night, coming home from work, I was thinking, all right, I'm going to take the four-wheeler to the work party today up at Baber. I'll get that in the truck. And then I thought, you know, with the gas prices the way they're going, I should probably use the little trailer in the vehicle that gets the best mileage. So we're loaded up, it's warming up, and we're gonna head up to Mount Baber and do a little work party. Get the trails all in good order in time for the windstorm to come and blow all the trees down. Kind of like that branch up there that's just sitting there waiting to fall. Probably the kind of thing we're gonna have all over up there at Baber. Anyway, we'll get it in as good a shape as we can. Here we go. Well, you see there's nothing, no one here. Got one truck leaving over there. There's only 3 of us that showed up today for the work party. When I got back to the meadow here today, I was gonna maybe try my drone out with the camera and see how it works. Get an aerial shot of the meadow here, but the weather beat us back. It's supposed to be high wind warning, and rain is supposed to start at 1 o'clock, and it's 1:10 right now. So looks like we need some new rope to go around the kids track. But overall, the trail system looked pretty decent. A couple little spots that could use a little touch up here and there. And then we have a few big projects, but we would need some manpower for that. So, all right, gonna head towards the home and hose the machine off. All right, made it back to the house. It's not raining too bad here. It kind of sprinkles, then stops. Got the four-wheeler unloaded. I took this four-wheeler because I got this little setup here to carry my saw. And then I can go down all the trails. With the side-by-side, you can't go to all of them because some have bridges. And you can't go on those with anything over 50 inches. So that's not too bad. The vehicle was, and the trailer was pretty clean for the drive up there because it didn't rain, but on the way back it was covered in mud. So I just hit every hole I can on the road that has water and kind of hoses it down a little bit. So all right, I'm gonna get to hosing this stuff in between these little rain clouds.